If you think this country belongs to you because you've got an ID and because you put a cross on a piece of paper and you happen to earn crumbs, every month you collect 370 grant and your child collects 500 and whatever it is today, child grant, and your child gets taught to be a servant in a free school and you get to be injected with all types of pharmaceutical bullshit in a free clinic, you think that should make you a patriot and fight against foreigners and fight for this country and bleed? Or you have a nice job. You're that slave with the gold chains. You're like, nah, I know we're slaves, but I get to sleep in the house. And I know your chains are made of copper. Nigga, I got gold chains, homie. My chains are made of gold. Still a chain, homie. You're swimming in debt. You're one salary away from your house being repossessed. One salary away from your car being repossessed. One